Well, good morning, my friends. So we're going to start out the day with the heat and humidity again. That sun's going to come up and kind of evaporate some of that moisture off into the air, which means dew points are going to be super high. And for most of us, we're looking at dry conditions, but I want to emphasize most of us because Marion, back towards Smith County here, is actually looking at some areas of downpours, a little bit of lightning associated with some of these little thunder showers that have really been moving through Tazewell County. So that is moving into Smith County right now, currently as we speak. It's going to be pretty close here to Marion, or kind of knocking on the door. Some more little spotty showers here in spots back towards Russell County and also in Wise County. The rest of us, Tri-Cities area, mainly looking at partly cloudy skies. But like yesterday, I really think the most of our moisture and thunderstorm chances are going to be in association with some outflow boundaries with this line that's back towards Indianapolis. So if you were to time this out right now and just assume it just goes the same speed for some odd reason, let's just assume that it does. Right now it's moving at about 49 miles per hour, the main line. If you take it, bring it down like this into a semicircle or so into our area, it would be over the next 6 to 7 hours approximately to get this actually into our area. So I think afternoon and evening, 1, 2 o'clock, and even later, that's when some of those showers and storms will actually arrive. So scattered development today. All that to say that unfortunately we keep those chances of showers and storms, you guessed it. Some of them could be strong, at least in spots. We'll have to keep an eye to the sky for that. Some isolated showers. It looks like possible on Sunday. Less rain chances, less thunderstorm chances tomorrow by a long shot than what we're going to have for today. And really for the most part next week, I expect any of these storms that develop to have downpours, lightning, some strong winds for some of us. Not all of us seeing that, but some of us could have some strong winds, 40 to 50 miles per hour, maybe even upwards of 60 miles per hour. Isolated flooding is possible as we go through today, and really for the most part of the next several days, to be honest with you, dew points remain high. The atmosphere is primed. We have tons of moisture, as if you didn't already know. I'm like, yeah, it's full of moisture, which means that kind of fuels those showers and storms. You know what else it fuels, though? The heat index as we go into the afternoon and evening. So with dew points in the 70s, temperatures around 90, it's going to feel like closer to 100 today, Sunday, and also into Monday. In fact, tomorrow may actually be the hottest day. A temperature around 92 will likely feel like 102. Anyway, here's a look at Johnson City. Currently right now, 70 degrees, still pretty muggy from that line of storms that we had yesterday evening. Thankfully, that waited till after our 70th anniversary party there in Cumberland Square Park. So anyway, temperatures today, upper 80s, low 90s. You see the better chance of those scattered storms, even in the hourly planner, showing up when? Afternoon and evening. All right, I think that kind of lines up with those storms that are towards Indianapolis right now. So 90 degrees or so for a high temperature. Overnight lows around 70. Severe threat tracker stays medium for some of those downpours and spots. Not everybody's seeing it. Like I said, I know some of us kind of miss out on it. You're like, weatherman, get it right. I mean, yeah, I totally get that. Sunday, isolated chances, and heading into Monday, more scattered showers and storms. So anyway, we'll take a look at some of the models here. What we're noticing is we are technically under a level 2 out of 5 risk, meaning a strong storm is possible today, a level 1 risk tomorrow. That diminishes as we head into Monday. The highest risk, though, for any strong storm, in my opinion, is high winds and downpours. So just kind of timing this out briefly, you'll notice that the model's kind of lining up here towards the afternoon and evening. That's when we'll start to see some of those downpours. Your extended forecast, it looks like this, featuring temperatures in the lower 90s by day, and overnight lows staying muggy as well, holding in the low 70s.